told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
What is up, Pyros? Welcome to the new video. For this one I got some original Make and Destroy fireworks that are all homemade, and this is basically my 4th of July stash. It's currently daylight, as you can see, and we'll be shooting some daylight fireworks. That's why I came here earlier, and then for the night we'll keep the night fireworks for later. So let me just run you through this stash. Alright, let's start off with this kind of bonbon packaging. Inside I have, let's say, some Spanish crackers. You will see them on the test. It's gonna be pretty good. I'm not gonna open this right now because I need to carry it to the place where I'll be shooting it. So I hope that's not boring you too much. Here I have quite a few flower pots. I kept them small because, you know, we all love small fireworks. Also, I have many different effects which will be seen in the night, and I'll probably also shoot some in the daylight. I hope you can hear me from the wind. And those are the flower pots. Alright, let's continue. I checked the mic and it filmed nicely besides this windy weather. Here I have, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 little, or let's say medium-sized volcanoes, which we will test it in the night, and I'll be shooting them probably at least 6 or 7 at once, and we should get some nice effects. Also, I wanted to mention is that I brought that spray I always use and bring with me when I do these huge, let's say, shows to put out the fire, and yeah, that's very important. Next thing is pretty special to me. Next firework is pretty special, as I said, because I mean, I kind of worked on the packaging, so it does look pretty cool and legit to me. And you can tell by the name, I have, oh god, that is not what's supposed to happen, but never, oh god, shit, bitch. But as you can see, alright, as you can see, I have here a nice mascleta or mascaleta, however you want to say it, or traca. There will be a nice ending if it works as it should. So I've added some details here, as you can see. So yeah, of course we have some shells, that's why I have these mortars here, which will be holding that paper right now for me, because this wind is pretty crazy. I will wait until it settles down a bit so I can shoot this safely. Alright, where do we start? Let's start with the daylight fireworks. Daylight shell number 3-inch, and those are the ones with colored powder, and those will test it at daylight. This is also the same thing, not the same thing exactly, but with different color. Not sure which is which color, and that will be kind of a little surprise for us. Next one is also 3-inch daylight shell number 1 with I don't know which color. Next one is this one, and I gave them some kind of cool names, and we'll see the effect on that one. I have them in mind, but let's keep it kind of as a surprise. And this one is, yeah, big shell. It's 4-inch. So this is my stash for the 4th of July. Let's shoot these off and see what we got. First, number 1. The first one kind of worked. The powder did not splatter in there, it splattered on the ground. So let's do the next one. Yeah, that's why I love sharing success and also failure. And that, my friends, was a failure, but the one that we learned from. So let's do the final one. Let's see this one. Big fail. So as I said, let's do 3 volcanoes at once at daylight. Got the crazy one. And happy 4th of July to all my pyro people celebrating it. And let's do more. First off, I was kind of disappointed that those shells didn't work out, but it's actually not that important. It's just another sign that I have to work a bit more to perfect each firework I try to make, and that's something I'm always about. So let's do more. So let's see a couple of these flower pots also at daylight until we get to the crazy stuff at the end, and in the night I'll also fuse a few of them like this, so you have kind of chain reaction for the finale. And firstly I'll shoot these separate. Nice little logo there. And yeah, all right, first off, shooting. Nice little pop. Next one. Happy 4th, another. Woo! Yeah, that's decent, I'd say. I hope I didn't choose all of them in color for the daylight. But anyways, it's pretty damn fun. Let's do a little finale. Those were fuses for the flying fish, but they burned all in one chunk. Holy sh! Alright, let's do the traca or mascaletta. Yeah. Right, let's spread it out. Find the ending. There is the ending. There is the ending. That should do it. So let's measure how long mascaletta or traca we have. Why I keep calling it mascaletta when it's actually traca or traca. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say 6 meters. So this is 6-meter traca, and let's see what it does. And it's also homemade, if that's interesting to you. Not too bad, not too bad. We'll improve definitely. Alright, let's see those Spanish crackers from this packaging. Happy 4th, Pyros. Happy 4th. Alright, second one ignited. That's pretty damn cool. So small little Spanish crackers. Gotta use the sprayer a little bit. Today is the day where I have plenty of time to light fireworks. Let's see one of them. Okay, short fused. Let's do a little finale. That's my channel, Making Desert channel. Subscribe and give this video a like. So I'll actually say one as a souvenir. Maybe it's weird, but I don't care. Alright, 4 at once. Those really crack. As you can see, the ground is Yeah, the ground is still warm. Waiting for sunset to settle down so we can see flower pots, shells, and volcanoes. There is the mortar, waiting for the foreign shells, such as me. Alright, Pyros, there's my setup, and there are the flower pots, there, volcanoes, and 2 crossed volcanoes there. Let's have some fun. Those were some nice magnesium stars. Nice green. Whoa. Let's do these volcanoes and see how they perform. Crazy, imagine those 4. Fourth one is picking up. Whoa. It's got a nice little eruption at the end. But yeah, not really intentional. Alright, let's see this bad boy. Nice break. I think there is a donut at the sky. You can't see it, but it's that thing right there. Let's see the monster shell. Truly a monster. Holy shit. And it delivered the donut. Happy 4th, Pyros. I hope you enjoyed. This was a long day. And I hope you enjoyed your fireworks for the 4th. This video will be probably going out a bit too late for the 4th, but it's never too late. We had some failures to learn from and some success to admire. Stay safe and light fireworks. Peace out. Not long after second shell, this happened. Some wild animals started screaming and I started running. Instantly ran in my car, picked up my stuff and drove off. That was kinda intense ending for the video. Holy shit, I don't know what the fuck is that. Gotta move out from this place. Holy shit.
Run.
That was pretty damn shitty.